Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Sponsored by Mirinda Strawberry. Today we have an unboxing of a mini ITX case that I purchased from AliExpress, and this is the A39. On the box it says A07, but I don't know why, but it's really the A39 and it's in black. And this comes in with the handle and the Gen 4 PCI riser cable. You got an option of Gen 3 riser cable or just without any riser cable, and I chose the Gen 4 and the handle. And this was from AliExpress, and it's a mini ITX. It's 4.6 liters, which is quite small. And yep, let's begin the unboxing. Grab my handy knife. There we go. Inside the box, got some styrofoam. We won't be needing this box anymore. Chuck that away. There we go, guys. Just focus a little bit. Yeah. Chuck this away. This away. And don't need this. And here we go. Wow, this is really tiny. Let's get the Mirinda Strawberry side by side comparison. As you can see, guys, look how tiny it is compared to the Mirinda Strawberry. Whoops, camera moved a little bit there. So it's pretty tiny. Comes with the stands, so good airflow at the back. Sorry, at the bottom. It's got these little holes for the power supply to breathe. And the side as well for the GPU and CPU fan. You can bring in cold air. And at the top it has the power button and a 3.0 USB. And this supports the flex power supply. You can't put the standard ATX power supply or the SFX power supply. It has to be the flex power supply. They're a little bit more expensive than the standard ones. It accepts 2-slot GPU. And this is the motherboard. I believe this is where the handle goes. Put the handle at the back there. Okay, let's take a look inside. Oops. Alright, here's my little screw. There are 4 screws here on each side and on the other side. If you want to take the plate off, the panel. Just going to do that quickly. Okay guys, the screws are off. The panel. Put that to a side. You can see this is where the motherboard goes. This is the power switch and the USB port. I believe this is the riser cable. Yep, Gen 4, as you can see, Gen 4, 18.5 centimeters. That's the length of the card. So you will go under to the other side. This will slot into the motherboard. Then you route this around under here, come out the other side, and zip ties, power switch. Got, what's this here? I think this is the handle. This is the black handle. Let's see. Okay. Here we go. We've got some screws and our washers. This is the handle. It's quite tiny. But yeah. Instruction manual. I don't think I'll be needing that because it's pretty straightforward to assemble this case. There we go. Okay, there you go. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Put that to a side down. There you go, guys. This is the Mini ITX unboxing and an overview. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Sponsored by one and only Mirinda Strawberry. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.